Hey there, and welcome back to our channel. Are you ready to take your production game to a whole new level? Today, we're revealing 10 jaw-dropping production KPIs that will skyrocket your efficiency and profitability. We'll show you why these KPIs matter and how they can help you tackle your production challenges. So buckle up and let's get started. 10 jaw-dropping production KPIs to boost your efficiency and profitability. KPI number 1, Overall Equipment Effectiveness, OEE. This KPI is your secret weapon. OEE measures how effectively your equipment is being utilized, helping you pinpoint areas for improvement. The formula is OEE equals availability x performance x quality. Remember, better equipment utilization means lower costs and higher profits. KPI number 2, Yield. This KPI is all about quality. Yield measures the percentage of products that meet your quality standards. Use this formula, yield equals number of good units, total units produced, x 100. By improving yield, you'll boost efficiency, reduce waste, and increase customer satisfaction. KPI number 3, Cycle Time. Want to speed up production? Cycle time is your go-to KPI. It measures the time it takes to complete one production cycle. The formula is cycle time equals total production time, number of units produced. By reducing cycle time, you'll increase production without breaking the bank. KPI number 4, Throughput. Maximize your production potential with this powerful KPI. Throughput measures the number of units produced per unit of time. Use this formula, throughput equals total units produced, total production time. By increasing throughput, you'll make the most of your resources and see those profits soar. KPI number 5, Downtime. Downtime is a production killer. This KPI measures the time when your production line is not operational. Calculate downtime with this formula. Downtime equals planned runtime, actual runtime. By reducing downtime, you'll save big on lost productivity and keep your operation running smoothly. KPI number 6, Changeover time. Stay agile and efficient with this essential KPI. Changeover time measures the duration it takes to switch from producing one product to another. The formula is changeover time equals total time spent on changeover, number of changeovers. By cutting changeover time, you'll respond to market demands faster and optimize your production process. KPI number 7, Inventory turnover. Keep your inventory in check with this crucial KPI. Inventory turnover measures how many times you sell and replace inventory within a certain period. The formula is inventory turnover equals cost of goods sold, average inventory. A higher inventory turnover indicates efficient use of inventory, reducing carrying costs and the risk of obsolescence. KPI number 8, Capacity utilization. Unlock your full production potential with this KPI. Capacity utilization measures the percentage of your total production capacity that's being used. Use this formula, capacity utilization equals actual output, maximum possible output, x 100. By optimizing capacity utilization, you'll make the most of your resources and reduce wasted capacity. KPI number 9, Labor productivity. Get the most out of your workforce with this game-changing KPI. Labor productivity measures the output produced per labor hour. The formula is labor productivity equals output, labor hours. By monitoring and improving labor productivity, you'll boost overall efficiency and make better use of your team's time and energy. KPI number 10, Return on Assets, ROA. Gauge your investment success with this powerful KPI. ROA measures the profit generated from your production assets. The formula is return on assets equals net income, total assets. By tracking and improving ROA, you'll ensure that your assets are generating the maximum possible returns, driving your business towards long-term growth and profitability. And there you have it. With these 10 jaw-dropping KPIs, you're now equipped to blast your efficiency and profitability to the stratosphere. Remember, tracking and analyzing these KPIs will help you overcome your production challenges and stay ahead of the competition. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.